NetSuite Procurement. Online training. Introduction to NetSuite Procurement. Understanding the crucial role of effective procurement in business operations, this section emphasizes the essential role that procurement plays in supporting a company's operations. Learners will grasp how procurement influences supply chain efficiency, cost control, and overall business success. Exploring the benefits of streamlined procurement processes. Delving deeper, learners will explore the broader benefits of well-organized procurement processes. They will understand how efficient procurement contributes to better supplier relationships, reduced costs, and improved inventory management. Fundamentals of procurement management. Navigating the core concepts and principles of procurement. This part establishes the foundational concepts of procurement management. Learners will delve into key terminologies, including procurement, sourcing, requisitioning, and purchasing. Understanding procurement objectives, processes, and stakeholders. Delving deeper, learners will grasp the objectives of procurement, such as securing quality goods and services at the best possible price. They will explore the procurement process stages, from identifying needs to contract management. Additionally, they will understand the roles of various stakeholders involved in procurement. Benefits of NetSuite Procurement Management. Exploring the advantages of utilizing NetSuite for procurement management. This section highlights the specific benefits of leveraging NetSuite's procurement management capabilities. Learners will understand how NetSuite streamlines procurement processes and enhances collaboration with suppliers. Understanding centralized sourcing, supplier collaboration, and spend visibility. Delving deeper, learners will explore how centralized sourcing streamlines supplier selection and negotiation. They will understand how NetSuite facilitates real-time collaboration with suppliers, as well as how spend visibility helps organizations gain insights into their procurement spend. Overview of NetSuite procurement features. Mastering the range of procurement management features offered by NetSuite, this part provides a comprehensive overview of the diverse procurement features offered by NetSuite. Learners will be introduced to tools for managing suppliers, creating purchase requisitions, generating purchase orders, and more. Exploring supplier management, purchase requisitions, purchase orders, and more. Delving deeper, learners will explore the functionality within NetSuite for managing supplier information, negotiating terms, and evaluating performance. They will also understand how to create purchase requisitions and generate purchase orders efficiently. Supplier relationship management. Navigating how NetSuite facilitates effective supplier relationship management. This section emphasizes the importance of strong supplier relationships for successful procurement. Learners will understand how NetSuite's features enable efficient supplier onboarding, communication, and collaboration. Understanding supplier onboarding, performance evaluation, and collaboration. Delving deeper, learners will grasp the significance of efficient supplier onboarding processes, ensuring accurate supplier data and documentation. They will also explore how NetSuite supports ongoing supplier performance evaluation and communication. Strategic sourcing and vendor selection. Exploring strategies for strategic sourcing and vendor evaluation, this part delves into the strategic aspect of sourcing goods and services. Learners will understand the steps involved in sourcing vendors and how to evaluate potential vendors effectively. Understanding RFX processes, supplier qualification, and vendor scorecards. Delving deeper, learners will explore the request for proposal, RFP, request for quote, RFQ, and request for information, RFI, processes. They will understand how to assess supplier capabilities, qualify vendors, and utilize vendor scorecards to make informed decisions. Purchase requisitions and approval workflows. Navigating how NetSuite streamlines purchase requisition processes. This section focuses on how NetSuite simplifies the purchase requisition process through automation. Learners will understand how to create, submit, and manage purchase requisitions efficiently. Understanding requisition submission, workflow approvals, and automated routing. Delving deeper, learners will delve into the mechanics of submitting purchase requisitions, including defining the required items and quantities. They will also grasp how workflow approvals and automated routing streamline the approval process for requisitions. Purchase orders and contract management. Mastering the creation and management of purchase orders in NetSuite, this part provides a comprehensive overview of purchase orders in NetSuite. Learners will understand how to create, customize, and manage purchase orders according to specific procurement needs. Exploring contractual agreements, terms, and compliance. Delving deeper, learners will explore how to link purchase orders to contractual agreements and terms negotiated with suppliers. They will also understand how contract management ensures compliance with agreements and legal obligations. Procurement analytics and spend management. Navigating NetSuite's analytical tools for procurement insights. This section highlights the importance of data analytics in procurement decision-making. Learners will understand how NetSuite provides tools for analyzing spending patterns, supplier performance, and procurement efficiency. Understanding spend analysis, cost control, and supplier performance metrics. Delving deeper, learners will delve into how spend analysis helps organizations gain insights into their spending patterns, identify cost-saving opportunities, and negotiate better terms with suppliers. They will also explore how supplier performance metrics assist in evaluating supplier effectiveness and efficiency. Procure-to-pay, P2P, process. Exploring the end-to-end procure-to-pay process in NetSuite, this section provides a comprehensive overview of the procure-to-pay process in NetSuite. Learners will understand the sequence of activities involved, from requisition creation to payment processing. Understanding requisition, approval, purchase, receipt, invoice, and payment. Delving deeper, learners will grasp the interconnected stages of the procure-to-pay process, including requisition submission, approval workflows, purchase order generation, goods receipt, invoice verification, and payment. Inventory integration with procurement. Navigating how NetSuite integrates inventory management and procurement. This section emphasizes the importance of integration between procurement and inventory management. Learners will understand how inventory data influences procurement decisions and how NetSuite ensures seamless data flow. Understanding stock levels, replenishment, and demand fulfillment. Delving deeper, learners will explore how inventory levels impact procurement decisions, ensuring sufficient stock for fulfilling customer demands. They will understand how NetSuite facilitates integration between procurement and inventory systems for optimized stock control. Supplier negotiations and contractual agreements. Exploring techniques for effective supplier negotiations. This part focuses on the negotiation process with suppliers. Learners will understand strategies for achieving favorable terms, pricing, and conditions through effective communication and negotiation. Understanding price negotiation, terms, conditions, and contractual agreements. Delving deeper, learners will grasp the art of price negotiation, balancing supplier expectations with organizational budget constraints. They will also understand the importance of clear terms, conditions, and legal agreements to prevent misunderstandings. Supplier performance evaluation and improvement. Navigating how to evaluate and improve supplier performance. This section highlights the significance of continuous supplier performance evaluation. Learners will understand how to measure supplier effectiveness and collaborate for mutual improvement. Understanding metrics, KPIs, continuous monitoring, and feedback loops. Delving deeper, learners will delve into specific metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs, used to measure supplier performance, such as on-time delivery and quality. They will explore the benefits of continuous monitoring and feedback loops for fostering supplier improvement. Supplier collaboration and self-service portals. Exploring how NetSuite enables collaborative workflows with suppliers. This section emphasizes the collaborative aspect of procurement management. Learners will understand how NetSuite's self-service portals facilitate efficient communication and information sharing with suppliers. Understanding self-service supplier portals, communication, and document sharing. Delving deeper, learners will explore how self-service supplier portals allow suppliers to access relevant information, submit invoices, and communicate directly with procurement teams. They will also understand how document sharing enhances collaboration. Procurement compliance and regulations. Navigating compliance considerations in procurement management. This section emphasizes the importance of adhering to regulatory and ethical standards in procurement. Learners will understand how regulatory requirements impact procurement decisions and processes. Understanding regulatory requirements, ethical practices, and auditing. Delving deeper, learners will delve into specific regulatory requirements that influence procurement decisions, such as sourcing from certified suppliers or adhering to industry-specific standards. They will also understand the significance of ethical practices and how auditing ensures compliance. Procurement software integration and data exchange. Exploring how NetSuite integrates with other procurement software. This section highlights the significance of software integration in modern procurement management. Learners will understand how NetSuite's integration capabilities enhance data synchronization and streamline workflows. Understanding integration benefits, data accuracy, and seamless workflows. Delving deeper, learners will grasp the advantages of integrating NetSuite's procurement management with other software systems, such as e-procurement platforms or supplier management solutions. They will explore how integrated systems improve data accuracy and promote seamless processes. Contract lifecycle management. Navigating the end-to-end management of contracts in NetSuite. This section focuses on the full lifecycle of contracts in NetSuite. Learners will understand how to effectively manage contracts, from creation and negotiation to execution, monitoring, and renewal. Understanding contract creation, negotiation, execution, and renewal. Delving deeper, learners will explore the stages of contract management, including drafting contracts with terms and conditions, negotiating with suppliers, executing contracts, and tracking renewal dates. They will understand how NetSuite's tools facilitate contract management. Procurement reporting and dashboards. Exploring NetSuite's reporting and analytics capabilities for procurement. This section emphasizes the importance of data-driven decision-making in procurement management. Learners will understand how NetSuite's reporting and dashboards provide insights for informed choices. Understanding data visualization, performance metrics, and decision support. Delving deeper, learners will explore how NetSuite's reporting tools allow procurement teams to create customized reports and dashboards that visualize spend data, supplier performance, and other key metrics. They will grasp how these insights support effective decision-making. Procurement risk management. Navigating techniques for identifying and mitigating procurement risks. This section addresses the critical aspect of risk management in procurement. Learners will understand how to identify potential risks and implement strategies to minimize their impact. Understanding supplier risk assessment, contingency planning, and resilience. Delving deeper, learners will delve into the process of assessing supplier risks, such as supply chain disruptions or financial instability. They will explore how to develop contingency plans and enhance procurement resilience against unforeseen challenges. E-procurement and online catalogs. Exploring NetSuite's e-procurement capabilities and online catalogs. This section highlights the role of technology in modern procurement. Learners will understand how e-procurement platforms and online catalogs streamline purchasing processes. Understanding requisitioning, catalog management, and user-friendly workflows. Delving deeper, learners will explore how e-procurement platforms facilitate user-friendly requisitioning processes. They will also grasp how online catalogs centralize supplier offerings, making it easier for employees to select products and services. Procurement process automation. Navigating how NetSuite automates procurement workflows. This section focuses on the automation of procurement processes in NetSuite. Learners will understand how workflow automation enhances efficiency and reduces manual intervention. Understanding approval workflows, purchase order generation, and notifications. Delving deeper, learners will delve into the automation of approval workflows for purchase requisitions and purchase orders. They will also grasp how NetSuite's automated notifications keep stakeholders informed about procurement-related activities. Supplier diversity and sustainability. Exploring the importance of supplier diversity and sustainable procurement. This part emphasizes the significance of supplier diversity and sustainable practices in procurement. Learners will understand how organizations promote diversity and environmental responsibility through procurement. Understanding inclusivity, social responsibility, and environmental considerations. Delving deeper, learners will explore how supplier diversity programs encourage sourcing from diverse suppliers, fostering inclusivity and economic growth. They will also grasp the concept of sustainable procurement, where organizations consider social and environmental impacts when making procurement decisions. Global procurement and supply chain optimization. Navigating challenges and strategies for global procurement. This section addresses the complexities of global procurement. Learners will understand the challenges of international sourcing and strategies for optimizing global supply chain operations. Understanding cross-border logistics, cultural sensitivity, and regulatory compliance. Delving deeper, learners will delve into the intricacies of cross-border logistics, such as customs regulations and international shipping. They will also explore the importance of cultural sensitivity in global supplier relationships and the significance of adhering to international regulations. Real-world case studies of effective procurement. Exploring real-world examples of successful procurement implementations. In this section, learners will delve into real-world case studies that showcase effective procurement strategies. They will understand how organizations have overcome procurement challenges and achieved procurement optimization. Understanding challenges addressed, strategies implemented, and outcomes achieved. Delving deeper, learners will gain practical insights from case studies that highlight successful procurement initiatives. They will understand how organizations have tackled specific procurement challenges, such as supplier consolidation or cost reduction. They will also explore the strategies employed and the measurable outcomes achieved. Conclusion and applying procurement mastery. Summarizing key takeaways from the training guide on procurement management. This concluding section recaps the essential concepts covered throughout the training guide. Learners will reflect on their journey to mastering NetSuite Procurement Management. Encouraging readers to apply skills for streamlined procurement processes. Delving deeper, learners will be motivated to apply the skills and knowledge acquired from the guide in practical procurement scenarios. They will understand how to leverage NetSuite's procurement management features to optimize supplier relationships, control costs, and contribute to the overall success of their organization's procurement operations. Why choose ProExcellency? Affordable pricing. ProExcellency's training courses are very affordable, especially when compared to the cost of training from other providers. A dedicated customer support team. ProExcellency has a dedicated customer support team that is available to answer your questions and help you with any problems you may encounter during your training. A satisfaction guarantee. ProExcellency is so confident that you will be satisfied with its training courses that it offers a satisfaction guarantee. Contact information. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.